I'm Kathleen Hansen, your vocal coach, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. This is a quick 5-minute vocal warm-up to get your voice ready for singing. Follow along with me, and let's get started. Always take a moment to check in with breathing and alignment. Take a deep, gentle, low breath, feeling your midsection expand, and exhale gently on an easy sigh. Let's sing together on a V sound, like the letter V makes, no vowel. We're going to sing. Just go ahead and glide on through all of those notes. Let's give it a try. These semi-occluded sounds like v, zh, or brr will get your voice warmed up very quickly. So we're going to move on to a bit more range on another glide, like Now I'll give you a choice. You can sing on a zh sound or a lip trill, or through a straw or a device like this vocal trainer. More info on that below. Again, the exercise is We're going to sigh down now on a very creaky door sound like ee. We'll do that a few times. Go ahead and join me. Ee, ee, ee. This helps the vocal folds come together efficiently and completely. Real quick, if you want to access my warm-ups quickly wherever you are, I do hope you'll consider downloading my mobile app, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. There are dozens of vocal warm-up playlists to choose from. The links for that are below. We're going to sing on the sounds Guy-luh, Guy now. We really want to make sure that the tongue and jaw is released. The exercise sounds like this. Guy-luh, 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 Guy. 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 Finally, we're going to sing on a triad arpeggio on the sound ka, like ka. Allow this to push outside of your comfort zone. with no judgment. Just keep the air steady and relax where you can. Here we go. I do hope you're feeling a little bit more warmed up and ready to sing. If you want something longer, I have plenty to choose from. Check out my channel or the links below, or of course my app. Thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing. It does help my channel. I appreciate you. Keep singing. I'll see you next time.